Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. And I think you have realized it already, if you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up the Google Assistant with. But how to power off the phone? For that, first of all, you need to be silent and you have to long press this power button for 3 seconds. And just now you're having the power off menu. Why you have to be silent? Because if not, the Google Assistant will answering you something. Okay, just swipe it up now to power off the phone. You see? And then the phone shut down. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.